This is my ice bath challenge for my poppers around the world. Man, I've been studying this guy named Wim Hof. He's also known as the Iceman. So if you don't know who he is, go do some research on him, okay? There's so many great things that he talked about with his message. So go ahead and check him out. He's got the Wim Hof breathing technique. He's got the cold shower technique. And one of the things that I just recently started doing is the ice bath. So what I'm gonna do is get in a real ice bath. This is not an ice bucket challenge, this is an ice bath challenge. And what I did is I got in for 5 minutes. So you might not want to get in for that long, but at least I say the challenge is at least a minute. And if you could get better, move on to 2 minutes, to 3 minutes, or 4 minutes, and 5 minutes, or whatever. Okay. What I found out is when I got out, my mind was sharper. My muscle, again, for poppers, it just got a lot sharper. And also being able to be right on beat. And that's the most important thing as us poppers out there, be on beat, all right? So in my video, you're gonna see me sit in the ice bath, man. I'm serious, for 5 minutes. I got out, and of course I changed, and you're gonna see me pop. And my challenge to you guys is to do the same, okay? Record yourself. Show me, show me that you actually got better, and tell me your results. Tell me if you think it helped you. Maybe it didn't. Maybe you got really cold and whatnot. But what I want to do though is I want to bring out my boy Rome's, and because we did this challenge together, I want him to also share his experience with you. All right.
What's up, guys? This is Rome's. So I did the ice bath challenge as well. So what I felt was my pops got a lot sharper, but you might want to proceed with caution, just so you know, because you are playing with really cold temperatures, and if you're not used to it, you might put yourself in a little bit of danger, possibly get hypothermia. So what helped me was I started to cold adapt, so I took a bunch of cold showers for about 2 months. You don't have to go that long, just maybe 30 seconds each time, and just try to push yourself a little bit more at a time. And then when you finally do the ice bath challenge, you're able to sit in a little bit longer.
Alright, so just finished ice bath. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can pop. If the popping is harder, or if I can stay on beat. Let's check it out. You got me?
Yep. What's up, guys? So my tip in order to do the ice bath challenge is I followed Wim Hof's breathing technique in order to get myself ready for the ice bath. But I did it a little bit differently. So if you don't know what his breathing technique is, look it up. Very simple, very easy, just 30 breaths, and then you hold your breath, and just look it up. And the way I did it was I did 1 set outside of the water, 1 set just before I went into the water, and then my final breath was when I was inside the ice bath already. All right. So, but do proceed with caution. Listen to your body. There was a moment there I could have pushed longer, but I got the sensation of like total almost like a calming, but there was like no pain or something like that, and I pretty much just like, all right, I need to get out real quick.
How you feeling? Oh, holding the breath is a lot easier if I just concentrate on holding the breath. if I
Not breathing.
it's a lot easier to block out the cold when I'm holding the breath. I think from the first time breathing and being too active, it's so hard to stay in. But if you try to keep your mind calm by holding your breath, I think it was a lot easier to, I think the pain is still there. The initial instinct of trying to get out. Let me get out of here.
Yes. Someone's right there.
Don't get into that. But yeah, the initial, so the initial instinct of trying to just get out was still there. That first 10, 20 second, it felt like the very first time. Still like, I just want to get out. But I was always, okay, I just tell myself to hold my breath, but I couldn't hold my breath. So I took a deep breath, exhale, and then I was like, just hold your breath. So I think I remember taking a deep breath in and holding it. And I was able to count. All I did was focus on counting my heartbeat. And I was counting, I thought I was trying to count up to 30, and I took a deep breath. And I took a deep breath again, trying to count for 30. So I think that was how I was able to maintain. And then I think the desire to get out slowly subside. I was able to just focus on counting my heartbeat, counting the breath. So 5 minutes, fuck, feels good. Yeah.